Hey guys, it's Jazz Plans and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to take really neat and effective notes for school. Starting off, I will be showing you guys the Pilot G2 gel pens. These are my absolute go-to at school and I just love how it comes in a pack and there's so many different types of colors. So the first thing that I will be doing is showing how I make my headers. I always write these headers in all caps and then box that around. It really stands out from the rest of the notes because you know that this is a topic with a lot of different subtopics. And so as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and write the notes normally with lowercase, and then any other subheaders I will underline. I like to go for the bullet type of list rather than the dash type of list. I just feel like it's much more consistent and neater than the dash. So one absolute tip that I swear by is always have a different set of colors for different types of specific items in your notes. I usually don't highlight just because it takes too much time, so I'm going to be doing different colors. For example, I went ahead and used a pink pen, and this is specifically only for important equations. I know that not everybody deals with math, but I use a different color for equations just so I know that it really stands out and I need to memorize these equations. So now I will choose a different color. In this case, I'm going to be using purple, and this color is specified only for important notes that will help for my tests or quizzes. I like to choose a bright color, which is why I chose purple. And now every time you look at your notes and see something purple, you know that it's important and that you should study that first rather than everything else. Moving on to the next section, I have an example. In this case, I will be using the blue pen. And if I ever make a mistake, I like to go for the whiteout because it erases really neatly. And I don't like scribbles because it's too messy, which is why I always resort to the whiteout. Now I will choose a different color for any other aspects corresponding with the example. In this case, it's just the values and units that I made with the graph. And I always write my answers in a different color, which is red. That way you can tell the difference between what's the question and what is the answer. Now, if you need to write something corresponding to your answer, I would suggest grabbing a different color. For example, the little arrow going to the top right, going to 0. I did that in blue. So you can visualize your steps when you're referring back to your notes later on. It also creates a neat workspace and it's less sloppy and neater, and you can really see the types of steps and other things that you did with your answer. So to summarize, choose a different color for each type of section in your notes. For example, use pink for equations, use black for your simple notes, use blue for your examples, and red for your answers. And that is all that I have for this video today. If you found this really useful, please give it a like and comment, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching!